Our Friday nights are a little different than they used to be. You guys having fun? You having fun? Not really? Oh yeah, Nixon wants to go to the Great Escape. Hey, you smiley face. Oh, Sky. Hi. Hey. Go, Sky. Are you jumping? Are you jumping? Hi. Yeah, look at you go. Woohoo. You're a little animal. She needs the pillow because she's not tall enough. But she likes to rock it. And Cashin, what are you playing? Uh-oh. Your firefighter's hanging. Ah, crash. Oh, no. Did you help him? Ta-da. All right. Oh, poor firefighter. And Nixon is playing his car game. Oh, what are you playing? Oh, a car race. My apologies. Looks like more like a car battle. Okay, bye-bye.